こんにちは。Welcome to Flavourful Kitchen. Today, Sheena is going to make Crispy Tofu Katsu. Katsu means cutlet in Japanese. It refers to a breaded and deep-fried cutlet. It's a popular dish in Japan and is often served with a sauce called tonkatsu sauce, which is a kind of thick and sweet Worcestershire sauce, along with shredded cabbage. Sheena uses tofu to make a vegan-friendly katsu. Enjoy the super crispy panko crust and the delicious sweet and savory tonkatsu sauce. Okay, let's get started. Wrap 1 block of firm tofu, about 350 grams, in kitchen paper or clean cloth, and put some weight on top to press out the excess water. Leave it for about 30 minutes. Meanwhile, let's make the tonkatsu sauce. Toast 1.5 tablespoons of sesame seeds. And grind them in a pestle and mortar. In a bowl, place 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of sugar, the ground sesame seeds, and mix. Shred some sweet hard cabbage. Traditionally, katsu is served with fresh shredded cabbage on the side in Japan, but you can use other fresh salad vegetables if you want. Now, let's make tofu katsu. Slice the tofu in half. Place 1 tablespoon of soy sauce on a plate and coat all sides of the tofu blocks with it. And leave it for 5 minutes. In a shallow bowl, place 3 tablespoons of plain flour, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, a pinch of salt, and a pinch of black pepper. Add 4 tablespoons of water and mix. In another shallow bowl, place 2/3 of a cup of panko breadcrumbs. Lightly coat the tofu blocks with plain flour. Dip the tofu into the flour mixture and coat all sides. Then roll it in the panko breadcrumbs. Heat vegetable oil in a pan over medium heat and bring the temperature to 170 degrees. Deep fry the tofu until golden brown on both sides. Remove from the oil and drain on a mesh rack. Cut the tofu katsu into slices. And serve them with the shredded cabbage and the tonkatsu sauce. できた! Sheena, how does it taste? Okay, Sheena said, The rich, sweet and savory tonkatsu sauce adds depth and richness to the crispy tofu katsu, and the shredded cabbage gives a refreshing contrast to the dish. Sheena enjoyed the delightful combination of texture and flavor. Thank you for watching Flavourful Kitchen. ありがとう! If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye bye! またね